Hello everyone, today we'd like to introduce TOYO's LSC Microlinear Motor Module. The LSC6 features a breakthrough design. The mover is fixed while the stator moves, solving the common issue of cables needing to move with the coil. This fixed coil design also enables more efficient heat dissipation, ensuring stable operation over long periods. Thanks to its high acceleration and deceleration of over 3G, the LSC6 can significantly improve takt time for short-stroke transfer, greatly enhancing production efficiency. It can also be equipped with a magnetic rod counterweight, making it easy to handle vertical, Z-axis applications. The LSC6 delivers high positioning accuracy, making it ideal for applications in silicon photonics or optical coupling fields. It is compatible with Class 100 ISO 5 cleanroom environments, making it especially suitable for the semiconductor industry. Additionally, the cable-free design reduces maintenance costs, while significantly improving module lifespan and operational stability. For more information, please contact TOYO.